Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about heat map in Python, and we have done a video about heat map, definition of heat map, uh, its types and its application in various areas. And if you would like to know about that video, the link is given in the description of this video, so please go to click on that link and watch the video, which will give you the background, the theory, the definition, the types, and the application of heat map, where we can use heat maps, where we can get the benefits by using heat map. And one thing more I would like to announce here that I have started already in the previous video which I have done in OR, that I'm providing the code for suppose I'm doing this heat map in Python. The link to the code will be given in the description of the video, and that I have created a repository on GitHub, so you can go click and you will be directed to that or Python or R code, and perhaps you will need to log in to create an account on GitHub and then log in, and then you can easily download that code, and you can do, you can reproduce whatever we are doing in the slide, like we are doing heat map in this video. So this is now a new thing in addition to the lectures from from the previous lecture which I have done in OR, and this will be continue with Python and or whenever I'm doing the video in implementation of something like heat map in Python and or, there will be a link in the description of the video to the code as well. Okay, so now you know about heat map already. We have done this in detail in the previous video. You can find the link in the description to that video. And today video I will do that how you can create a heat map for temperature, daily maximum temperature, and the data will be taken from NASA Power, and you can see this heat map will look like days on this side and month, that from January to December here, and you can see daily temperature. You can see the pattern, structure, and trends in the data by drawing heat map. You know that we can use heat map for multiple data sets, and in the upcoming videos I will do a bivariate heat map, that is for precipitation and temperature together. Primarily heat map is for a single variable, but in some ways you can do this for two variables, but then the interpretation is a bit complex. But uh, in the upcoming videos I will do this for two variables that we call bivariate heat map and Python, and then in R as well. And I will do a heat map for crime distribution as well, so that I can show you that you can use this for many data set in different areas, and you can get very nice information and detail about whatever you want to study. So let's go straight to Python and the spider and do the rest. Okay, and yes, so this is now you can create. So this is now you can see the required libraries for this. To create this plot, you need to import these libraries, and you know these already because I have done multiple videos about these libraries, and about different videos, so you know about this. You just need to run this from here, and so you can see if there is no problem, no error, then that's mean you have installed successfully and you have loaded imported these libraries. Then I'm just going to access the data from this NASA Power website. You can use your own data, but I'm using this one, so you can use some online data or you can use your own data, but you should look at the format of the data, that what format you require for this data. So let's see, access the data from this URL, and then responses request, and then yeah, request.get, so you can get the data from NASA Power API. Yes, And okay, now they converted data to this format, and now you can extract temperature data. Now you are extracting temperature data from this yes, from data. You can see here, and that is now you can say data frame. You are making a data frame, pd.data frame. That is the command used for to create a data frame from this data. Okay, so you can extract now these variables, dates, that's important, maximum temperature and minimum temperature from the data which you have in this command. So we will do this together. Okay, so this is working, and now okay, now this is convert date column to datetime. Okay, do this by this command, and then reshape data for heat map. So you need to reshape the data for heat map. You can do like this, and then you can see how the data look like. Okay, okay, this is okay, and now heat map dot underscore data. Okay, you can see from here that how this data look like. Anyway, you can see from here as well, because you know that this is the final data, you know, and heat map data is data PIUT index, day, columns, month, and values max temperature. So you have maximum temperature and you have minimum temperature. You can use any of them. We will do this for both, and here it is for maximum temperature. So initially we run this for maximum temperature. Let's do this, and now I will run this to display to plot the heat map, the size of the plot, and so on. You already know these things. So you can see that this is very nice heat map. You can see, you can maximize. Okay, little more. Okay, as you can see, the same plot which I showed in the slides earlier, I mean here, not like this. So it's same map, heat map. So days and months, and you can see where's the highest temperatures. You can see here, and you can particularly, determine the days on which the temperature is very high. That can be 24 and 23rd June. That is June, the month of June, and somewhere here in the May as well. And the coldest temperature is recorded on 12th of January and 30th of January, in this particular region. This is, you can see this bar show the temperature, and you can see that start from here, and that is 40 degrees centigrade or 40 plus until here. So this is about maximum temperature. You can do this for minimum temperature. Just write this variable now, min temp. So I'll just write min temp now, and just convert this to this data, and now display this plot. Just remember that this plot is about until 40 degrees centigrade and from 15. So let's see how the other look like. Okay, so that's now different. By the way, I need to change this daily minimum temperature. You need to change. I'm not changing this, but okay, you can change this as well. MIN. So because it's not maximum temperature, so now you can change this, and you will see a new plot. And yeah, that is it. Map of daily minimum temperature, and you can see the same days and months. And you can see this is now from -5 or lower than -5 to 25 or 25 plus, not 40 like the maximum temperature. Okay, so this is all about how we can create a heat map in Python for meteorological variable. You can do the same for precipitation as well, and you can do for other variable of interest as well. So in the next video, we will do a bivariate heat map that will be for temperature and precipitation together, and how we can interpret that as well. So I think this is enough for today, and see you in the next video. Ciao.